Hi, my name is Chris Addig with the Veterans Law Blog. Today I want to talk to you real quick about one of the most common injuries for veterans, that's hearing loss. Now, I served in the artillery when I was in the Army, and if you look at my hearing test throughout my military career, you can slowly watch my hearing getting worse and worse and worse. Problem is, the VA is not service connecting it because it's not at a rateable level. Now, setting aside the fact that that's an error, that I'll talk about in other posts on the Veterans Law Blog, I want to talk to you about a very different problem. And this problem is this. The VA impairment rating tables for hearing loss only compensate the worst hearing loss imaginable. And for most veterans, this can take years to surface or appear, sometimes even decades after military service. But by then, the VA wants to deny your claim because they say it took too many years after service for your disability to appear. And they assume that means it's because your hearing loss is not related to your military service, but to some noise exposure that occurred after you left the military. So most veterans that file for VA disability compensation for hearing loss find themselves in this catch-22. On one hand, they can't get compensation because their hearing loss isn't bad enough to get rated. And on the other hand, by the time it is bad enough to get rated, they can't get it service connected because it took too many years to get that bad. What's a veteran to do? Listen, I'm going to talk to you in the post that I'm going to share with you in a minute. I'm going to talk to you about a concept known as extra scheduler rating, or if your condition is really bad, if your hearing loss is really bad, I'm going to talk to you about an extra scheduler total disability rating. This type of claim works really, really well in a hearing loss claim condition, but you can use it in any kind of VA claim where your symptoms do not appear on the list of rated criteria for that particular condition. So if you have symptoms that are making your disability worse than the disability symptoms that are listed on the Table 4 impairment rating table for your condition, this is a good method that you can consider, but it works most commonly and best in hearing loss claims. So click on the link at the end of this video, or if you're watching it on Facebook, pop on and click that Learn More link at the bottom of the video. And I'm going to walk you through the steps to follow to unlock the door to higher VA disability compensation for hearing loss by using extra scheduler ratings claims. Pop on over to the Veterans Law Blog at veteranslawblog.org. Subscribe to my email and let me know if there's any other topics that I can talk to you about when it comes to VA disability claims and appeals. Until then, take care and have a great day.